When RoofTop Antiques first came to be, it was literally a mom and pop operation. My mom and pop. They had been collecting antiques since I was a kid, and their collection had grown beyond anything they were able to enjoy. So they started selling things online. For a while, this was just a hobby, but 8 years down the road, it turned into a business. I joined the ranks, and RoofTop Antiques, a true family-run small business, was born. We are passionate about rescuing modern discards, vintage survivors, and once treasured antiques from garage sales, auctions, barns, and even trash piles. We revitalize these items and recycle them back into humanity. Through this process, we are able to help people replace, reunite, and reminisce. My own kids have grown up here among the world's discards. They are the third generation of RoofTop Antiques. We have now conducted over 25,000 successful transactions across more than 60 countries. It is our mission to help people find a new perspective on old things. Perhaps my favorite part of my job is hearing back from customers with whom we've done this successfully. Here is part of a letter from John in Illinois, who bought a pair of Craddock capsule chairs. There is awesome and there is beyond awesome. Your company and staff are somewhere beyond awesome. Thank you so much for the lightning fast, free shipping, and the careful attention that went into packing our chairs so they arrived safely. I have been searching for 2 of these chairs for many years to complete a set that I inherited from my parents to no avail. I am so pleased to have completed my quest and to have done so with the assistance of the terrific folks at RoofTop Antiques. As with most jobs, some days are thankless and frustrating, but when we receive messages like this one, we know that all of our hard work is not for nothing.